Foxy was a fox who lived in a paper box. One day, Foxy was crying because she had hurt her legs. Foxy went to the vet, who took an
X-ray.
X-ray. The X-ray is a picture of the bones. The vet
Put
the vet put an X worm
marks
marks on the pain's face. The vet said
she must
she must rest in put
until
until Foxy got well. Next day, her friend Roxy gave her a gift. The gift was an styrofoam. Foxy was so very happy. She liked the styrofoam very much. Foxy played on her new styrofoam all the day.